I never thought I would be a famous person.
Queen's Gambit changed chess forever. Oh my goodness, what a great move. My name is Levi Rosman. I'm an international master at chess.
I stream chess, broadcast chess.
Now I'm pretty much just playing chess day in, day out.
Goodness me, I blundered!
I was competing quite seriously from I would say around 5 years old. I played on the women's Olympic team for Canada.
My dream as a kid was to be a chess Olympian, and I achieved that goal when I was 20.
I played the game because I found it challenging, I found it fun. It was the only thing I was good at.
I've always been like, yeah, but I can't really make a living off of chess, you know?
Even if you reach the Grandmaster title, which is the top chess title, it still doesn't guarantee that you will have enough of an income.
Things really changed the most for me when Queen's Gambit came out.
A lot of people showed up on Twitch just out of pure interest. They would say, oh, this is my first ever chess stream. I've just watched the Queen's Gambit. I love it.
I built around that audience and I wanted to welcome them and I wanted to keep them. In this video, I want to give you all the tools you'll need to learn chess and navigate it as a beginner. Within like probably 2 months, my 48-hour viewing period went from about 120,000 views to 2.5 million.
Okay, so it might look like I lost the game.
Sometimes I do coaching. Sometimes I just talk to chat. I ask them for their input on every single move, where we do puzzles together.
Thanks to platforms like Twitch, more and more people in the chess scene can make a good living too, without being in the top 10.
I thought that just becoming a chess teacher was going to be the way I was going to earn my living, but what I'm doing now is something that it's just incredible.
Chess might be intimidating from the outside. You think that it's only for the smart people, and it's not true.
I make a lot of mistakes too, so then people are like, oh, I can relate to that. You know, I've blundered my queen. People are like, I blundered my queen too. I want to make it so that nobody should ever feel like they can't play chess. Nobody should ever feel like, this game is too hard for me.
No one ever saw this coming. Thank you to the people who made the Queen's Gambit. I owe you probably like my left pinky toe.